Hi guys, it's Jezy. Thank you very much for coming today. Today guys, we've got a fantastic keyboard to review, unbox today. It is from Sandberg and it is called the Thunderstorm. And here it is. I hope you don't mind. The box has been a little bit battered getting here, but you can still see that it is absolutely beautiful. This thing basically says on the back, Sandberg Thunderstorm keyboard is a solid keyboard constructed on a metal plate that gives you exactly the right weight. So the keyboard is firm and doesn't slip when your game requires maximum concentration and precision. Make a unique Thunderstorm design with lightning bolts through the keyboard and keys. You can easily change the color of the light and touch of a button. Sorry, at the touch of a button. My bad. Again, I've not had a drink, promise. I haven't. Add the nylon braided cable and cool USB connector and have the complete gaming experience shortcut keys for volume, media playback, etc. at the top of the keyboard. So it is absolutely bloody cool. It does actually have a USB interface, like I mentioned. The cable is 1.8 meters in length, 104 standard keys, 10 multimedia keys. Backlit color is blue, red and purple, which is completely switchable. Cool. And it weighs 1,100 grams. So it is actually quite heavy. So as you can see, the box is actually quite nice. And all we have to do is lift up the lid here, and there she is. So let's get this open. I've wanted this since the day that I actually saw this a couple of months ago, and I was told it wasn't going to be released until May of this year. But they've actually managed to get it out before schedule, so I'm actually well pleased about that. So it comes out in the tray. 1 second, the cable's stuck. Right, okay, that's a nice finish on the back. Obviously with the normal keyboard you've got the flip outs to elevate it, and if you look in here there's like a hex design. Look, that's really smart. But then you've got this, but I'll tell you what I'll do is, as it's a long cable, we'll do this. We'll see if I can actually put it into my my iPhone charger in the wall and see if we can actually power it up to actually see if we can get it to light up, shall we? 1 second. It works! Ta-da! Oh, this is cool. So, this button here changes the color. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Purple and off. Oh, that's cool. No, it won't keep well, unlike the mouse, it won't keep me awake at night with the shining lights. Oh, that's like an orangey red at points. I like the way that it goes dark and then gets lighter. That's amazing. So there we have it, the Sandberg Thunderstorm keyboard. It's a beautiful weight and it's not overpowering in size either. You know, like some gaming keyboards are just absolutely huge. This one isn't too big and it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, as you know guys, this is my first keyboard that I will be reviewing, and to be honest, I've used a couple of gaming keyboards in the past. The actual keys could be slightly flatter for my personal preference, because these tend to click a lot louder. So for that reason, unfortunately, Sandberg, it's going to drop to an 8, because it could have a few more function buttons on it. Looks wise, it is absolutely amazing, but unfortunately it doesn't have enough mechanical keys, so unfortunately it goes down to an 8. It's still a really good score, but it could be better. So thank you very much for coming today. Guys, I really do appreciate you hitting that like button. Thank you very much for that. So I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.